When Hangouts approached us, they had a clear vision to create a place where guests could unwind, connect, and spend time with their loved one in a serene yet unique environment. Comprising of family suites and studio rooms, there are 44 villas in total. Each villa is themed after a renowned beach destination or island. Every detail, from color schemes to functionality, are considered carefully to create the perfect atmosphere for guests to enjoy family time together. For studio units, we focus on optimizing space and maximizing comfort. The clubhouse is the heart of Hangouts, where guests gather, socialize, and make connections. We use black Vimley sofas to create a timeless look, while the blue painted wall gives the environment a relaxing and chill vibe. We designed a functional and efficient management office using black and white color scheme to create a modern and professional atmosphere. The minimalist approach combined with smart storage solutions allow for better focus and more streamlined workflow. At IKEA for Business, we believe that well-designed spaces can enhance people's lives, whether it's a family on vacation or a team running a successful resort. We are proud to be able to work hand in hand with Hangouts in this project to create an unforgettable experience for their guests.